Do you really want results, or would you rather make excuses for failure? It is much easier to cop out and make an excuse for not trying, isn't it? The problem with this kind of thinking is that you start to believe the stories you tell yourself about life. It is essential you to take control of your thoughts and beliefs, properly manage and lead them towards your successful future. It can transform your life. How do we do that? You often hear people saying that, oh, I can't do this because my partner won't let me. I can't afford them. I can't buy them because I can't afford them. I'm not good enough. I'm not smart enough. I'm not rich enough. I didn't go to the right school. It's not my fault. It is because of him or because of her. It's because of you it happened to me, right? You didn't guide me. You didn't pay me enough. Whatever it is. These people, pointing fingers and creating blame. They complain when things don't turn out the way they wanted them to. Do you know what happens when you constantly say complaints and excuses? When you say constantly complaints and excuses, the more you provide excuses or complaints about your life, or the things are not happening in your life and you are not able to achieve your goals or task or whatever the problem it is, your subconscious mind start believing you, your subconscious mind start trusting you, and eventually that is what going to reflect in your life. You will fulfill your predictions. Do you really want that to happen? Because when you constantly say that, okay, I don't have money, I have no money, I can't reach whatever level, I can't achieve them, I can't reach to my goal. Maybe the other person would be able to do, but not me. And I'm fat, I'm not, smart, or whatever the complaint. Because that is what going to be your reality. Your subconscious mind doesn't know what is true, what is false. Because when you constantly say it, your subconscious mind is believing you, trusting you. So that's what going to be your reality. So how do we change that? You need to focus on what you want rather than focusing on what you don't want. When you constantly say complain about, usually I have heard from parents stating that my kids don't listen to me, they don't eat food, they don't do homework, they are adamant, they go with friends and they don't listen to us. The complaint goes on. So instead of saying complaints, rather what you want, focus on what you want. You want your child to be healthy. You want your child to be concentrate on studies, focus on education, good manners. So instead of complaining, say what you want. When you say it, your subconscious mind, your child's subconscious mind also start listening to it, and eventually you will see changes in your kid. The same way about the relationship, about the husband and wife, in-laws, and about yourself. So stop judging yourself. Right? You stop negatively judging yourself, stop complaining about yourself, and in fact, always track your inner talk, self-talk, and change your thought pattern and change your belief, which is if it is not going to help you. Okay, so in life we have two choices. Either you can be a creator or you can be a victim. Now it's your turn what to choose from this list. Thank you.